Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel, and this is the February edition of the top 5 After Effects tutorials. So let's get started and see what we have in store this month. First out of the gate is this video by Red Giant. What you'll learn in this tutorial is how to easily create a retro 16-bit video game look. What's great about this tutorial is it begins with a breakdown of the effect. I said this last month, but it's so important to understand the foundation of an effect before you can make it. It also has a handy list of all the plugins that you can use to make the effect. Normally what I'd do is go through the tutorial step by step, but in this case it's actually a little bit too in depth for that. So trust me on this one, it's definitely worth a watch and you're going to learn a lot on the way. The second video is by Motion Design School. Not only do they make amazing tutorials, they also make short tutorials. And who doesn't love a short tutorial? What you'll learn in this video is how to create an organic moving tentacle using DUIK, which is free, and also using Shapelayers, which is also free. And to top it off, we also get to use the loop out expression. Most organic movements in After Effects can be tricky, but I really think they've nailed this one. And like they say, you can add this to anything, and it really helps to add a bit of realism to your animations. The third video is by TipTut, and this is a big and important video. Well, it's one of 5. What this tutorial focuses on is an introduction to motion graphics. What you will create is what you say on the intro animation. The great thing is, even in this first video, you touch on how to use various tools within After Effects. For example, you'll touch on preparing a composition, working with text, animating shape layers, using the graph editor, and you'll learn how to use some animation principles such as overshoot. All in all, a fantastic introduction to motion graphics, and I'll link the second part in the description below. The fourth video is by Justin Odisho. So what I love about this tutorial is you'll sometimes come across the need to do this, and although it is very simple, it can just leave you scratching your head. But in saying that, Justin does a great job of explaining how to animate text on a path. It's to the point and it's great. The fifth and final video for this month is by Motion Array. Again, this video is short and sweet, just what I like, and it focuses on how to create merging liquid blobs. This is such a simple technique yet very effective. You'll use a couple of shape layers and some inbuilt effects, and that's pretty much it. Well worth a watch. And there you have it, the best tutorials for February 2021, and you'll find all of them linked in the description below. If you like this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification icon too. Please also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and visit our website where you can sign up to our newsletter. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thanks again for watching.